up guys, welcome to the vlog. Getting matchy as always. Today we are not leaving the garage because we are talking about selling the Corvette. Yeah, you're not wrong. Something that I have been thinking about it. I haven't made the decision yet, but I want to share with you guys why I'm thinking about that, right? If you guys don't know, I bought this Corvette in May. It's a 2007 base C6 Corvette. And I have this towel here because I had the battery tender attached to the car, so that's just... So I try to take care of the car as much as I can. It has 74,000 miles on it. I did a bunch of stuff, like simple stuff that changed the entire car. I upgraded the sound system, I changed the center console, I wrapped a bunch of stuff. I'm still gonna probably wrap the roof and stuff. But here was why I'm thinking about selling the Corvette. This is my little dog. She loves to be on the vlog, right, Mia? Why? Right? Go. So here's the thing. I believe if I want to take YouTube as like something that is gonna make me money, I don't believe the Corvette is the right thing for it. I'm not ready to make that decision yet, but it's something that I have been thinking about so much. Should I sell the Corvette and invest my money in a different truck? And why? Because I think YouTube goes for whatever it's not as much popular, and you gotta be different. And being a car guy, having a Corvette, even having a truck is not different at all. The thing I try to be different is because I'm not 100% American, as you guys know. I came from Brazil 6 years ago, started building my way so I could get my cars. And I'm still working hard so I can get whatever I want. And the Corvette was a dream come true. It's a 2007 Corvette. For most of you guys, it's nothing. But for me, it's a big deal. The fact after working 6 years really hard here in America, I'm able to afford a Corvette. But if I want to be smart, you can go back on my channel and check. My channel, it's mostly truck people. Every time I post a Corvette stuff, it doesn't get as much views. And I'm getting the point that it's worth to make videos on the Corvette. I can keep the Corvette, but I'm not gonna do anything, I'm not gonna produce any content with. But if I bring another truck, then I can start from the zero. I can build a totally different truck, maybe a full-size truck. I really love the old Chevys, like the 2006, 2007 Chevys. And of course the Corvette price would allow me to get something like that. It would be a fun project for sure, but I would say I would miss my Corvette. And I don't know, I'm in that spot that if I want to take YouTube to the next level, I don't know if the Corvette's gonna take me there, because so many people making Corvette content, and YouTube, for you to grow, you gotta be different, as I said. Or you need to do crazy stuff like Street Speed does, or those big YouTubers, they do, or you need to be unique. And that's why I love the Colorado, because I remember when I started making videos of the Colorado, nobody had it. I think now we have more people doing Colorado stuff, but it's so hard to have people passionate about the mid-size trucks. And since I got the Colorado, that was my goal. Like, I want to make videos, I want to make YouTube videos where I'm gonna help people, I'm gonna show how fun are those small trucks, build this community around the Colorado. And that's basically what happened. All my videos about the Colorados are so much fun. People comment, people love it, people give me a nice feedback. And the Corvette's not that much. I get it, the Corvette community is awesome. I met so many friends through the Corvette community. But if I want to think as business, or if I want to grow my YouTube channel, I don't know, maybe getting a different truck, a truck that I can build on my own, I can do stuff by myself, that would be so much fun. But the main reason why I'm recording this is more to share with you guys why I'm not making Corvette content, because I'm really thinking about selling the Corvette and get a different truck. I'm still running the numbers and thinking, and I thought, you know, what I thought was, I'm gonna share that with them and see what they have to say. I wanna hear you. Would you be interested to see one more truck in the channel? I'm I'm getting the point that I'm looking different on YouTube. I'm looking as a business, and I want to take you guys on the journey with me. Would be something you guys would like to see, like a different truck. So I would have like a mid-size truck and a OBS kind of truck, a old style truck. It would be a totally different build. I think that would attract more new people. But to be honest, I'm gonna miss the Corvette. I will miss the Corvette so bad. But I want to hear you guys. I'm not saying that that's what I'm doing. I don't have any offers on it. To be honest, one guy wants to offer me, like, didn't offer me anything, but he asked me if I was selling my Corvette, if I would be willing to sell it. So the Corvette's not for sale yet, but you know what? Why not? If the offer is right, if the price is right, I put a bunch of stuff on this Corvette though. I think the Corvette's, like, step by step is getting my fingerprints on it. If you guys watch my Corvette content, you know I want to do a wide body, I want to do bigger wheels and tires, I want to do X-pipe, I want to do headers, maybe a cam, new seats. I have so many plans for this, so many plans. But I don't know, I reach at that point, I don't know if it's worth to put all that on YouTube. It's so much money. With that money I can put a lot of stuff on my truck, or all my trucks if I get another one. I just want to hear you guys. If you guys could help me, let me know in the comments below. I don't want any drama. It's just like I want to share with you guys. And today I was thinking about it. I was like, I gotta think about it. I want to share with them, and that's what I'm doing. It'd be really hard to see this car not being here in the garage. I got so used to it. You know, I love Corvettes. Corvettes, they were my dream when I was a kid. In Brazil, as I said to you guys, it's almost impossible for me to get a car like this. I could, but I would be probably 75 years old or 80 if I got lucky and work really hard. After like 50 years of working really hard, I could maybe afford a C6 like this. But here in America, God was good enough to give me this as a gift, as a reward of my hard work. And you know, as you guys can see here, I'm really passionate about Corvettes. I just don't share that much on videos because, I mean, YouTube provide me a little bit, but not as much as with Corvette content. But we will get there, maybe if I sell, I don't know. But it's gonna be really hard to see this car going. Alright boys, that's it for today's upload. So if you please could leave a comment, I would really appreciate it. That means a lot to me, and I wanna hear you guys. Again, not drama here. I don't want any drama, I just wanna hear you guys. Something I have been thinking about it, and I want to share it. Alright? I hope to see you guys tomorrow. I'm working really hard on this daily vlogging thing. It's tough, it's hard to edit it and everything else, but I'm having so much fun. So much fun. I really love to connect with you guys. So as always, I hope to see you guys tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed today's talk. And I'm sorry if I clickbait you with truck picture, with truck subject, with truck title, but I just didn't want to get your attention. I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, never forget, enjoy your life.